Order fulfillment is an important component of running a successful retail business. Shopify POS provides integrated shipping solutions by working with shipping suppliers to improve the fulfillment process and decrease manual tasks. Retailers can improve customer satisfaction and order processing by implementing shipping features directly into the point-of-sale system. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS, emphasizing how they boost operational efficiency, streamline the fulfillment process, and promote business growth. Order processing simplification. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions make the order processing workflow easier for retailers. Shopify POS, in collaboration with shipping suppliers, allows shops to generate shipping labels directly from the point-of-sale system. This interface removes the need for human data entry and lowers the possibility of error during the shipping label creation process. Retailers may use Shopify orders to automatically retrieve customer shipping information, assuring precise and consistent data transfer. In addition, integrated shipping systems provide retailers with access to a wide range of delivery options and costs. Retailers can instantly compare shipping rates from several carriers within Shopify POS, allowing them to select the most cost-effective and reliable shipping method for each purchase. Shipping label generation automation. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions streamline the fulfillment process for retailers by automating the process of generating shipping labels. Retailers can rapidly create shipping labels and move orders from the processing to the shipment stages with a few clicks. Retailers save time and minimize manual work by automating shipping label generation. This allows them to concentrate on more important responsibilities such as inventory management, customer service, and business expansion. Shipping labels can also be printed directly from Shopify POS with integrated shipping solutions. Within the same system, retailers may create shipping labels, print them on label printers, and attach them to parcels. This eliminates the need for separate label printing software or manual handwriting of shipping information, resulting in increased speed and professionalism in the fulfillment process. Order tracking and notifications in real time. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions offer real-time order tracking and notifications, increasing transparency and customer happiness. Retailers can instantly update the order status with tracking information after generating a shipping label. Customers receive tracking information via email, allowing them to track the status of their orders. This real-time order monitoring function keeps customers informed and reduces order status questions, enhancing customer happiness and decreasing customer service workload. Order tracking capability is also available in Shopify POS for retailers. They can track the status of dispatched orders, gain easy access to tracking information, and address any potential delivery concerns ahead of time. With this degree of visibility, retailers can provide great customer service, fix delivery issues quickly, and ensure a smooth fulfillment experience. Scalability and integration. Shopify POS integrated shipping solutions integrate with common shipping providers such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. Retailers can effortlessly link their Shopify store to their preferred shipping providers, providing accurate and real-time delivery information. Because integrated shipping systems are scalable, organizations of all sizes may take use of these features. Retailers may improve their fulfillment process, decrease manual labor, and give a consistent shipping experience to their customers whether they run a tiny online boutique or a large-scale retail operation. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS enable retailers to improve customer happiness by streamlining the fulfillment process, reducing manual duties, and streamlining the fulfillment process. Retailers may improve operational efficiency, save time, and focus on growth by streamlining order processing, automating shipping label creation, and offering real-time order tracking and notifications. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions provide merchants with the resources they need to provide a seamless and professional shipping experience, promoting customer loyalty and business success in the competitive retail industry through seamless integration and scalability.